Right, so you come to your EP, your home page, look for your tasks, and then see which task has been completed that you want to review. Click on that. And then you'll see two ways of looking at the data. The first one is that. So if you can just snip that tool, snip that, and have a look at the task, the summary, and copy that, and then put it into the collaboration page in Learning Without Limits. And collaboration space. And that's just give it your name, so it's NT, and then keep that page for yourself, and we'll have a look at what's the next activity to do. So with this section here now, and this is your students' time taken, etc. And what I need you to do is export, and just call that the classes. I've got a folder for that. Just keep me update. That folder is called Forces Summary. Open that. I've got a lot of students because the task was given to all the students, but you'd only have to have a small number. Now, these are the boys that haven't done it, so what I want to do is just snip those two. I want to snip those. The boys that haven't that area there. Copy that and paste that underneath. Oops, sorry, under that, so we can have a look at who's doing what and who's not doing what. That's what we need to do.